Hey everyone, good morning. It's Lisa from Temptations. Happy Saturday. How's everybody doing today? Wow, is it hot in Rehoboth Beach, Delaware today? Like I think it's supposed to be, is it mid-90s? 85 now? And it's going to 95 today. And good news, our air conditioning's broken. So it's going to be a great day here. And this is a must-have that you have to check out. So welcome to everybody who's joining in today. What city, what state, and what is the weather like where you are? Is it warm? Is it rainy? I know like last night we had some crazy thunderstorms, and then today and tomorrow is supposed to be hot, hot, hot. So now we have Cindy on the board. Hey, doing Cindy? Nice to see you. So welcome to everyone on Facebook. Hey to everybody on YouTube. I'm filling in for Tara. She's been on vacation this week, a much deserved vacation. She'll be back next week. Hey, Carrie, how you doing? Oh, Carrie says in Buffalo, New York, the weather is beautiful today. That's awesome. Is it hot, Carrie? Because it is hot, hot, hot here in Delaware. But here's the good news. The ocean is like a mile away. So we know how to get cooler there. Everybody's jumping on now. Hi, Mary. Hi, Rebecca. Hey, Mary Miller. How you doing? I haven't talked to you in a while. Hi, Sandra. Hi, Cindy. Hi, Jeffrey. Hi, Carolyn. How you doing? It's hot. I know Carolyn is hot up there, too. Woo! I actually didn't put an apron on because I thought it might make me hotter. So anyway, today is Saturday, and guess what we have? A brand new must-have. And you know what this is? It's a summertime essential. Like, Tara completely outdid herself with this one because it's what everybody needs in their kitchen, in your outdoor, in your indoor entertaining right now. And here's why. When it comes to getting all of our summer dishes together, whether it's like potato salad or coleslaw or even our warm dishes like mac and cheese and baked beans, right? When you go out to the store, here are the options, right? You can get a glass bowl, you can get a metal bowl, but they're not pretty, they're not functional, you're not super proud to put them on your table. Fast forward, how about something gorgeous like a 2-quart bowl, which by the way, we call our Goldilocks size, right? Because it's that middle of the road size. First of all, hand painted on the outside and the inside right there. I'm showing you the old world confetti pattern. This comes in 3 different styles. It comes in Old World right here. It comes in floral lace that I'll show you, and also in woodland. It has all the detail. Like, look how stunning. Think about this. Where can you go get a bowl that is touched by an artisan, hand painted inside, hand painted outside, helper handles on the side, and even this beautiful detail of the rope border at the top? Okay? Now I'm going to kick it up a notch. This is what we call a lid. So a lid now that can go on top of the bowl, right? Think about this. You can now put this on top of your bowl so you don't need to do any foils or you don't need to do any plastic wraps. So it's saving you time and money right there. It can be a trivet for the bottom of the bowl. So like if you're putting this on one of your wood tables and this is something cold in here, it won't sweat, right? Or you can use it separately. Like look how we put ribs on right here. So you start to see the versatility of this piece, right? So what would you rather have? This metal bowl or this handcrafted, artisan touched stoneware bowl that goes into the oven up to 500 degrees. It goes into the microwave, the refrigerator, the freezer, the dishwasher. It is metal utensil safe. So yeah, you can mix right in here, no problem at all. By the way, there's so many different colors and patterns to choose from that there's something for everybody's kitchen. And at under $25 for 2 separate pieces that you can use together or separately, that's why we made this a Tara's must-have. So here's the deal. It's on a special price for a few weeks, so you definitely want to pick it up while we still have it. And here's the great thing about stoneware for the summer. It's going to keep your hot foods hotter longer, like we talked about your mac and cheese and your baked beans, but it's going to keep your cold foods colder longer, like your mayonnaise-based salads, your coleslaw, your fruit salad, all of those things. So let me answer a few questions, and then I want to give you a few ideas for some inspo. Oh, we have Linda here, Elizabeth's here, everybody's saying it's hot and muggy. Woo, it's hot and muggy here too. Sally's here, Kathleen's here, Joyce is here, Marianne's here. How's everybody doing today? Happy Saturday to all of you. I hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend. All right, now let's put this to the test, okay? Let me give you some ideas. I showed you the old one, right? That's the one right here. I'm going to bring this to the center. Let's talk about floral lace. This is a seasonal color that we only have at this time of the year, and love that right here. It's the mint floral lace. When we talk about Old World, you see the beautiful Old World charm, right? Look at the floral lace right here. This pattern, this floral pattern is engraved. Listen to this. You can literally hear my nails right on the side of that. And then the beautiful detail at the top. It's like little seed pearls all along the top. Helper handles on the side. Again, it's 2-quart capacity. Yep, Anne-Marie, I answered your question the same time you asked it. And remember, you're going to get that lid. So now, like my husband and I are empty nesters, perfect size for us because I can do my main course on this dish right here. That's the lid. And then I can do our salad. So there's the beautiful floral lace in the mint. Again, seasonal color, only available at this time of the year. And then let me give you some other inspiration. Look at what we did over here. A nice cold mayonnaise-based salad, our potato salad, nice 2 quarts. By the way, even if you pick this up at the grocery store pre-made, pop it into here because look how beautiful your food can look in Temptations. I mean, it's time saving, it's money saving, and it's also a beautiful display on your table. And then look what we did here. We put the ribs. All right, I'm going to the oven. What do you think? On this hot day, I'm still going to bring out something nice and warm from the oven. Although we're not turning on our ovens as much anymore as we get into the summer months, there are some dishes that just need to be heated and need to be baked in the oven. So why not have something that can go through the paces with you? Again, in the oven up to 500 degrees. Look at this. I'm bringing out 2 quarts of mac and cheese. Yum. And look how gorgeous this is. And here's what we love about Temptations. By the way, this is available in woodland. So if you love woodland, look at that beautiful wood texture right there. Isn't that gorgeous? And the glass glaze that brings this to life. So if you're more of a solid lover, this might be the choice for you. That's the gray woodland. Slate blue, slate blue. There we go. Now let's talk about function with stoneware. It's naturally nonstick. So even things like mac and cheese is just going to pull right away from the side of your dish. And do you see how the pull of the cheese, that's because that steam, that heat gets trapped in there. That's the beauty of stoneware. That's why you want to choose it over using glass, over things like, metal, which can't go into the oven or buckles in the oven if you're using like a baking sheet. But not only is the presentation beautiful, the function is beautiful. Oh, Margaret says she loves the mint. Lisa says beautiful bowl. But look what we did here for the kiddos. Like Carolyn, you would love this. Mac and cheese here in the 2-quart bowl, and then maybe things like chicken tenders. So again, you start to see why this is a must-have. Comes in 3 different patterns, overall, floral lace and woodland, $24.95. Where do you get it? It's over on temp-tations.com. It's exclusive over there right now. Great time, great price. Definitely check it out. All right, you guys have a great day, and we will see you all very soon.